We'll guide you through how to use Wink for Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to enhance videos from Adobe Premiere Pro using Wink. It helps them apply AI effects like retouching, filters, and auto enhancements quickly, improving video quality and appearance without complex editing steps or advanced skills. To begin this tutorial, open Wink on your PC. Once the application is open, click Login to access your account and continue with the setup process in a secure and stable environment. After that, choose the login method you want to use. For example, click Google so you can sign in quickly using your existing account without needing to manually enter credentials. Then select the account you want to use, ensuring that your account is properly connected and ready to use all available features. Next, click Import Adobe Premiere Pro to begin bringing your project into Wink for further processing and enhancement using its built-in tools. Choose the Premiere Pro file you want to use from your computer by selecting the correct file. Once you have selected the file, click Open to import it into the application and allow Wink to load the content properly. Now your Premiere Pro file has been successfully imported. You can now choose from several available features depending on your needs and the type of result you want to achieve. For example, you can select the Auto feature to quickly apply automatic enhancements to your video. Then select the effect you want to apply so you can customize the final look of your video according to your preferences and desired style. If needed, you can adjust the retouch settings according to your needs to improve details such as skin smoothing or minor corrections for a cleaner appearance. You can also adjust the body tuner settings if you want to modify proportions or refine certain visual elements for a more polished result. In addition, you can adjust the makeup settings according to your needs to enhance facial features or apply stylistic changes that match your project. If required, you can also adjust the filter settings to change the overall tone, color, or mood of your video. Preview the result to make sure everything looks as expected and confirm that all adjustments have been applied correctly.